This is day 12 of Project Watt, and today I'm going to be showing what I worked on. Um, Now that I can build levels way faster, it makes things 10 times easier to. It makes things 10 times faster to do. So, for example, this is level 3. Very simple. If you don't want to watch how I do it, then just skip. But, anyways, uh, this is how it goes. This is how you do the level. This level only took me about 30 minutes to build, which is not bad. Yeah, only 30 minutes to build, which is definitely not bad at all. Some things I still need to work on are the settings. You know, like that doesn't really look good at all. um, it's pretty bad actually. So we'll get that fixed. The number of moves. So if I quickly finish the level real fast. Oops. You can see like it plays. I don't know what the word is, but anyways, here you can see the number of moves. I wasn't keeping track, but 42. So there's gonna be a 3-star system. So you know how most games are. So 1, 2, 3 stars. You get 3 stars if you do it in the fastest possible, like in the least amount of moves possible. 2 stars if you do it like 5 less or something, and then 3 stars or 1 star just for beating the level. So yeah. Um, there's that. Some more things I've been working on is the main menu. This is broken where I used to hide and then play that. Messed around with some of the things here. Made everything like a bit bigger. This still needs to be worked on, the audio thing. So far for sound, the only sound I really have, let me just make sure, okay, you can hear audio, is this was going to be the sound. This would be really loud. And that would just constantly loop in the background. That was the first plan, but I don't really like the sound the more I've used it, so I'm not going to go with that. What else? What else? The let's go to it. This box, I've given up working on. You know, it was a cool concept. It's just not practically useful. The box that you can push, it doesn't. I couldn't think of a way to use it in a level, if that makes sense. So there was no reason. The platform going up and down, I could definitely use, and I will be using. There's gonna be in total the max amount of platforms there could be is 3. So, cause like you don't want the camera to move side to side while you're playing, right? You just want a static camera where you can see the entire level. And my problem was I was running out of room for big levels, so I was wondering how I was gonna fix that. And this platform actually, like, is the reason why it's here. You know, it could be multiple platforms to take you to different parts, and yeah, that's the reason why it's there. And like you can tell there's another part because of this slope here. And one thing I do need to still work on is when you go underneath this. It just fell off. Whenever you go underneath, so you can't really tell like I'm under here. You know, it's pretty hard to tell. Here I can make it more obvious. Oops. So you have no idea that I'm under here right now. Like, if you were playing the game, you'd have no idea you're under here. So one thing to combat this, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to I just do this real fast. Have it to where like if there's gonna be a raycast drawn, and if you're underneath the target raycast, then it will just like fade away. For now, I'm just gonna delete it just to show what I mean, but it will like fade away the objects until it can draw, until the camera can draw a clear. So where's the camera? Camera's right here. So until the camera can draw a clear raycast to the target, and for those who don't know, a raycast is like a straight line that hits something, and if it hits something, that's a raycast. So anyways, if it does that, then it'll fade away the objects if the camera can't reach the player. That's about it. That's all I wanted to show is level 3. Yeah, I think level 3 should take, honestly, it should be around the same time as level 2 to complete, around like a minute, 2 minutes. Honestly, level 2 might take longer, a little bit longer than level 3, but not by much. They should both take around like 2 minutes to figure out how to beat. So yeah, thanks for watching.